Hello, food enthusiasts and health-conscious viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's sure to pique your culinary curiosity: eating raw onions. Is it a zesty delight or a tear-inducing experience? Join us as we explore the benefits, potential drawbacks, and delicious ways to enjoy raw onions. So, whether you're a fan or simply intrigued, grab a tissue, and let's venture into the world of raw onions. First, let's talk about the benefits of raw onion. Onion is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, which makes it a superfood for our health. Studies have shown that raw onion can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Raw onion is also rich in quercetin, an antioxidant that can help reduce inflammation in our body. Chronic inflammation has been linked to many chronic diseases, such as heart disease and diabetes. Therefore, consuming raw onion can help protect our bodies against these diseases. In addition, raw onion is a great source of vitamin C, an essential nutrient that helps strengthen our immune system. When our immune system is strong, we are less likely to get sick and can recover faster if we get sick. Raw onion also contains sulfuric compounds that may help reduce the risk of cancer. These sulfuric compounds are responsible for the strong smell and taste of raw onion, but they are also the reason why raw onion can be so beneficial to our health. So how can we incorporate raw onion into our daily diet? Here are some ideas. Add raw onion to salads. Raw onion can be a great salad dressing. Simply cut it into small pieces and add it to your favorite salad for extra flavor and health benefits. Sauté raw onion with other vegetables. Raw onion can be sautéed with other vegetables to get a healthy and delicious meal. Simply add some olive oil to a pan and sauté the raw onion with other vegetables like peppers, mushrooms, and spinach. Add raw onion to sandwiches. Raw onion can be a great dressing for sandwiches. Simply cut it into thin slices and add it to your favorite sandwich for extra flavor and health benefits. Add raw onion to stews and soups. Raw onion can be a great ingredient for stews and soups. Simply cut it into small pieces and add it to your favorite stew or soup for extra flavor and health benefits. Now, let's talk about some important things to keep in mind when eating raw onions. First of all, we must remember to wash the onion well before eating it to remove any dirt or contaminants that may be present on the outer skin. It is also important to note that some people may be sensitive to the sulfuric compounds present in raw onions, which can lead to symptoms such as heartburn, gas, or diarrhea. If you experience any symptoms after eating raw onions, you may want to avoid them in the future or reduce your consumption. In addition, although raw onion can have many health benefits, it can also have some disadvantages. In particular, raw onions can be difficult for some people to digest, which can cause digestive problems such as flatulence and abdominal pain. In addition, raw onions can have a very strong taste and smell, which can be unpleasant for some people. To reduce these side effects, there are a few things we can do to prepare raw onions before eating them. For example, we can soak raw onion in cold water for a few minutes before cutting it to reduce its strong taste and smell. We can also cut the raw onion into small pieces or crush it to facilitate digestion. In conclusion, raw onion can be a very beneficial food for our health. It is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, and may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. However, it is also important to remember that some people may be sensitive to the sulfuric compounds present in raw onion, which can lead to unpleasant symptoms. So, if you experience any symptoms after eating raw onions, you may want to reduce your consumption or avoid it in the future. In general, raw onions can be an excellent addition to our daily diet, as long as we consume them in moderation and prepare them properly before eating them. So go ahead and enjoy raw onion at your next healthy meal. And there you have it, a flavorful journey through the world of raw onions, from their potential health benefits to the moments when it's best to exercise caution. With this knowledge, you can now savor the zesty goodness of raw onions with confidence. If you found this video informative and your taste buds are tingling, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow food enthusiasts. We're always eager to hear your thoughts, so please drop your questions and culinary experiences in the comments section below. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you're the first to know when we bring you more exciting insights on food, nutrition, and making the best choices for your palate. Thanks for joining us on this flavorful exploration of raw onions. Remember, just like enjoying a delicious meal, knowledge enhances your dining experience and empowers your culinary choices. Stay curious, stay bold in your culinary adventures, and keep savoring the flavors of life.